In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. If you're moving tasks from a spreadsheet into ClickUp, this walkthrough will make the process smooth and predictable, even if it's your first time. Start by opening your browser and heading over to clickup.com. On the top right, select Login and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. Then navigate to the space or folder where you want these tasks to live. This matters because imports go directly into the area you choose, keeping everything organized from the start. Within that space or folder, look for the list where you want your tasks. Beside the list name, click the plus sign and choose Imports. You'll see several options. Select Spreadsheet Files. On the Import Destination page, confirm that the selected location is correct. Then click Continue. This ensures your tasks land exactly where you expect. Next, click Upload File and choose your CSV from your computer. A quick tip here. Your CSV should have a clear header row, like task name, description, due date, and so on. That makes the next step faster and more accurate. You'll now map your CSV columns to ClickUp fields. This is where you tell ClickUp what each column represents. For example, map task name to name, due date to due date, and any notes or explanations to description. If your CSV includes assignees, priorities, or tags that match fields in ClickUp, map those as well. If not, you can leave extra columns unmapped. Take a moment to double-check date formats and make sure task names are correct. Good mapping saves cleanup time later. When everything looks right, click Continue. Review the summary so you know what's about to be created. Then click Import. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. Keep the tab open while ClickUp processes your tasks. When the import finishes, you'll see your tasks appear in the list you selected, ready to sort, filter, and manage with all of ClickUp's views and features. That's all there is to it. You've taken your structured data from a CSV and brought it into ClickUp in a clean, consistent way. If you ever need to repeat this, the same flow applies, and careful mapping will always give you the best results. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.